Hey there, fellow busy parent, ever stare at your kitchen after a long day and think, where do I even start? I'm right there with you. In this video, we're diving into 10-minute kitchen deep clean hacks designed for families like ours. No fancy tools, just smart shortcuts using stuff you already have. Picture this, a sparkling kitchen that feels like a win without stealing hours from your evening. We'll start simple and build to pro tips that make maintenance a breeze. Stick around because by the end, you'll feel empowered to tackle that mess with confidence. Let's roll up our sleeves and get hacking. Your first quick win is just a minute away. First up, the microwave menace. We all know it turns into a science experiment overnight, but here's a hack that'll zap it clean in under 2 minutes. Grab a microwave-safe bowl, fill it halfway with water, add a splash of white vinegar or lemon juice, whatever you've got. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. The steam loosens every stubborn spot. Let it sit a sec, then wipe with a damp cloth. Boom, crystal clear without scrubbing your arms off. This works because the acid breaks down grease naturally. For busy families, it's a game changer, no more dreading that door. See how easy? Now let's move to the sink that's seen better days. Next, revive that weary sink. Mineral buildup and soap scum, sprinkle baking soda all over, then douse with vinegar. Watch the magic fizz, it's like a mini volcano, but way more useful. Let it bubble for a minute, scrub lightly with a sponge, and rinse. For tough stains, add a bit of dish soap. This combo is your eco-friendly powerhouse, cutting through grime without harsh chemicals. Imagine rinsing veggies in a sink that shines like new. It'll make meal prep feel less like a chore. Families swear by this for quick touch-ups after dinner. Feeling the momentum? Our next hack targets the counters where life happens most. Counters are battlegrounds for spills and sticky fingers. Mix equal parts water and dish soap in a spray bottle, your all-purpose warrior. Spritz generously, let sit 30 seconds, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. For extra grease, add a drop of olive oil to the mix. It repels future messes too. This hack's beauty, it's gentle on surfaces but tough on dirt, perfect for daily wipe downs in a family home. You'll reclaim that space where you chop veggies or help with homework, making it inviting again. No more avoiding the wipe up. Ready for more? The stovetop's next. Let's banish those burnt-on bits. Stovetops collect the worst, burnt sauces and spills that mock your efforts. Heat the burner slightly if safe, then scrape with a razor blade held at an angle carefully, folks. Follow with baking soda paste. Mix with water, apply, let sit, scrub, and wipe. For electric stoves, just the paste works wonders. This method's efficient because it targets buildup without chemicals that could harm your health or wallet. For busy families, a clean stove means safer cooking and less stress during weeknight meals. See the difference? It's motivating. Up next, we'll tackle the fridge, that forgotten fridge of forgotten leftovers. The fridge, prime real estate for science projects. Start by tossing expired stuff quickly, keep a trash bag handy. Wipe shelves with a vinegar water spray, 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. It kills bacteria and deodorizes naturally. For sticky spots, use a soft cloth, no abrasives to scratch. Place an open baking soda box inside for ongoing freshness. This hack streamlines your routine, preventing that overwhelming purge later. For families, a tidy fridge means easier meal planning and healthier choices on the fly. Feels good, right? We're building steam. Next, cabinet clutter that's hiding your essentials. Cabinets turning into black holes for Tupperware? Sort in 10 minutes. Pull everything out, wipe shelves with a damp cloth and mild soap. Group like items, lids with containers, and use cheap bins or dividers from dollar stores. Label for quick grabs. This organization hack isn't just clean, it's efficient, saving you hunt time during busy mornings. Parents love it for keeping kids' snacks accessible too. Transform chaos to calm, boosting your daily flow. Almost through the basics now, let's grease-proof your appliances. Appliance exteriors collect fingerprints like magnets. Warm soapy water on a microfiber cloth does the trick. Wipe top to bottom, then buff dry. For stainless steel, add a teaspoon of olive oil to the cloth for that streak-free shine. It protects against future smudges too. This quick pass makes your whole kitchen look polished, impressing guests or just lifting your spirits after a tough day. Efficient and low effort, ideal for our lifestyles. We've covered the essentials. Now ramping up to advanced tips that elevate your game. Challenge time, the oven's greasy depths. If it's bad, spray with hot water and dish soap, let steam for 10 minutes, then scrape gently. For eco-twist, use a paste of baking soda and vinegar. Apply, wait, wipe. Avoid self-clean cycles for safety with kids around. This advanced hack tackles what others dread, saving you from pricey services. Feel the accomplishment as it gleams inside out. For busy families, a clean oven means worry-free baking for school treats. Pushing limits, one more pro tip ahead to seal the deal. Climax hack: floor refresh. Mix vinegar and hot water in a bucket, add a drop of essential oil for scent. Mop in sections, focusing on high traffic spots. For grout lines, sprinkle baking soda first, then mop. The fizz lifts embedded dirt. This deep clean prevents slips and allergies, crucial for family safety. Imagine your kids playing without worry or you unwinding on spotless tiles. It's the ultimate win, tying all hacks together for a holistic glow up. You've conquered the kitchen. Now, let's wrap with why this matters in your next steps. Recap time: from microwave steam to floor fizz, these hacks reclaim your kitchen in bite-sized bursts. Microwave with vinegar, sink effervescence, counter sprays, stovetop scrapes, fridge wipe-downs, cabinet sorts, appliance buffs, oven pastes, and floor mops, all under 10 minutes each. Benefits: more time for family, less stress, and that empowering sense of control. You'll save money on cleaners and feel like a home hero. These aren't just tips, they're shortcuts to a smoother life. Try one today, start small, see big changes. Your kitchen's ready to shine brighter. There you have it, a kitchen deep clean that's doable and delightful for your busy life. You've got the tools to make home management effortless and fun. If this sparked your motivation, hit like, subscribe to Home Hacks Daily for more efficient tips, and comment your favorite hack below. We're in this together. Share with a friend who's drowning in dishes, it could be their lifeline. Thanks for joining me. Go tackle that kitchen and enjoy the fresh start. See you next time for more handy secrets.